I'm Marin Liu, an applications engineer from Agilent Technologies, and today I'd like to speak with you about digital video signal generation solutions. There are a variety of digital video standards being adopted in different regions around the world for various transmission methods. The Agilent N7623B Signal Studio for digital video, along with the new X-Series MXG signal generator, can generate signals for digital video receiver test, including performance and functional test. This solution supports most of the standards with waveform playback mode, including the DVB series, ISDBT, ATSC, J.83 Annex, DOCSIS, and the Chinese standards DTMB and CMMB. It also supports several standards with real-time signal generation, including DVB-T, H, T2, C, S, and S2, and ISDBT. For waveform playback mode, the playback time can be up to 1 minute due to the large memory in the MXG. For real-time signal generation, we can change the modulation parameters at any time, and the changes will take effect immediately. Measurements defined in the conformance test specs, such as MBRAI, NorDig, and DBook, can be supported, including sensitivity, interference, and performance testing under AWGN and multipath environments. I'm going to show you Agilent's latest solution for generating digital video signals for receiver test using a DVB-T signal as an example. This solution uses Agilent's N7623B Signal Studio for digital video software running on a PC together with an X-Series MXG or EXG signal generator. Our demo devices are a commercial DVB-T dongle and a PXA signal analyzer. The output DVB-T signal from the X-Series signal generator is connected to both the PXA signal analyzer and the DVB-T dongle through a power divider. This is the Signal Studio application for real-time digital video. Under Format, we can see the different standards that are supported. We can select the signal format first and then set the parameters in the node below. In this example, we use a DVB-T signal, and we can set parameters like mode, bandwidth, modulation type, guard interval, and so on. In this example, we are going to use default values for most parameters and set the modulation type to 64 QAM. The stream file used here is a TS file or transport stream file. An MPEG-2 TS file can be loaded as the payload, which can be stored on the hard disk of the PC or the signal generator. Click the State On button and the signal will be generated from the EXG. Now, let's use the PXA to measure the quality of the transmitted signal and monitor the parameter changes. On the PXA, we can see the constellation graph of the DVB-T signal that has been transmitted, and the MER can be up to 47 dB. And we can view the video stream on the display software of the dongle receiver. The stream is now playing very smoothly. Now, in the N7623B software, we will change the modulation type to 16 QAM, and the change of parameters will take effect immediately. We can see on the PXA that the constellation graph is now changed to 16 QAM accordingly. Next, let's add AWGN noise to the DVB-T signal and implement the carrier-to-noise performance test in the Gaussian channel. These settings are under the real-time AWGN setup under the instrument node. Set the signal-to-noise ratio to a larger value like 15 dB and then turn on the real-time AWGN. Next, let's decrease the signal-to-noise ratio by 1 dB at a time and monitor the display. We can see that when the carrier-to-noise is decreased to 10 dB, the video stream is frozen. This is the carrier-to-noise value that we want to measure. We can also use bit error rate as the degradation criteria. Besides the carrier-to-noise test in the Gaussian channel, other conformance tests can also be performed easily. For the interference test, we can use another X-Series signal generator to add the required interference signal. And for the multipath test, we can use the N5106A PXB which can add up to 24 paths with Doppler shift and some predefined channel profile. As we've shown in this video, Agilent has a complete solution for testing digital video receivers using the N7623B Signal Studio for digital video software with the new X-Series EXG or MXG signal generators. All of the tests defined in the conformance test specifications can be fully supported. For more information, please visit Agilent's website, and thank you for watching this video.